Windows 11 feeling old already? What if I told you you can make it look and feel like Windows 12 in just few minutes? Stick around because I'll show you the fastest tweaks, hidden tools, and free downloads that transform your Windows 11 into something sleeker, cleaner, and futuristic without waiting for the official update. And hey, if you love quick, no fluff tech upgrades like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. So without any further ado, let's dive in and turn your PC into Windows 12 right now. So the first thing which we are going to modify here on my Windows 11, which is by the way completely default, as you can see, we're gonna install here Windows 11 cursors from this website. By the way guys, every single tool I will mention in this video I'm also going to link in the video description down below, so you guys can easily pause this video and follow it along until the end. Now this is the cursor we are going to install. So on this website, scroll down and here you will find this button to download this cursor concept. Click on this folder and here you should get this zip file. Select it and then here click on extract all, and once again then here click on the extract. Now here you have two versions which you can pretty much install. The first one is dark, the second one is light. I do prefer the light version, so here I will double left click on the light folder and here you will find this file called install. You can right click on it and then here you can click on install. Now you will see this admin prompt and you can just click on yes here. And now if the installation actually fails, here's one thing which you can also do. You can go here to Windows Start menu, search for the cursor, and here you'll find this setting called change the mouse pointer display or speed. You can click on it and then here we can go to the pointers. To change this cursor to the new cursor, you can select here, for example, normal select. Then you will have to click on browse. And then here you can go to home and then here you'll go to your downloads folder where you have the cursor. Here I will select the light version and then here we'll have to select this right cursor variation. In this case, I will go with the arrow and click on open and then here you will go to help. Click on browse, then here go back to this folder and here you will select help, click on open, and you can see here how the cursor actually changes. Now, for example, for this working in background, select it, click on browse, and then here for the working in background, you can select here this one right here, which is up starting, or here down below, you'll find a plenty of other cursor variations. Here, I'm gonna click app starting and click on open. You can see here how it looks already. Let's go with a busy one as well. So right now we can go with this one, click on open, and then here down below, we can also go for the links as well. So for example, link select, click on browse, and then here click on the hand, click on open and then you can click on apply. Now you can see here that the cursor actually changed. If I zoom in here, you can clearly see its brand new appearance, and you can also save this brand new cursor as a, for example, Windows 12 and click on OK, and here you'll find this theme for the cursor called Windows 12. Now click on apply and OK, and that is pretty much our brand new cursor. And now we can also tackle the option of customizing the taskbar, start menu, as well as here the notification center. So to do this, you can go here to this website called WindHawk. Make sure that you click on download button and you should get the .exe file here. And once you have it, make sure that you install it like you would any other Windows program. Now here, once you have it installed, you can go here to the start menu and search for WindHawk. And here you will see this app, click on it and then just wait for it to open. By the way, guys, if you need a brand new wallpaper, I made a brand new wallpaper pack, which you guys can check out in the video description down below. It will take your desktop to a whole new level. Now, here we are inside WindHawk, and on the explore page, you can click on it. And here you will first have to search for one really cool modification called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. You can click here on details, and then here on the left, you will have an option to install it. Click on install option and install it on your computer. Now, once you have it installed, you can go here to the settings, and under the theme, you will select here this one, which is down below. This one called Windows Glass. You can click on it and then here click on save settings. So just like this, and now you should see here this brand new taskbar. I think it looks very nice. It also has this animation for the system tray icons. And now one thing which we can also do here is to modify its size. So for that, we will have to install this modification. It's called taskbar height and icon size. So make sure that you turn it on. And then for the details here, you will have to go to the advanced And then for the mod settings, we will have to go to this website on GitHub. And here down below, if I scroll down, we will have this note. In order to make the taskbar look better, it's best that you install the taskbar height and icon size mod and use the following setting for the mod. So here we're gonna click to expand this JSON content, copy this, and then go back to WindHawk and paste this right here. So just like this, and you can click here on save, and you can see here the taskbar size adjustment. Now, I think it looks super sleek, super detailed, and very nice compared to the default Windows 11. Now, we can go here back to Explore page and install another modification, which is called Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Just click on Install, and then here you will go to the settings. For the theme, you will select this one right here down below. It's called Translucent Start Menu. Click on it, and then here down below, I will also disable the new Start Menu layout. Because I'm on Windows 25 H2, I have this Start Menu look, which I don't like as much. So here I'm gonna click on this and click on Save Settings. And now if we move forward, we also want to make our File Explorer transparent as well, and also the control panel. So for that, you will have to install this modification. It's called Translucent Windows. So just click here on Details, and then here under the settings, you will have to enable following options. The first one is called Windows Theme Custom Rendering. Make sure that you enable it. Then for Windows Theme Accent Colorizer, you can also enable this one. And then here for Text Alpha Bleeding, you can also enable this one as well. And here's the most important part for the effect. You will go from default to this one, which is called Blur Accent Blur Behind. And down below, make sure that you also enable Immersive Dark Mode title bar, as well as extend effects into entire window. So that is pretty much it. Click on Save Settings. And now if I go here, we can go to enable the translucent windows. You can also see here that our start menu also looks super nice. As you can see, it has this brand new translucent effect. Now the File Explorer looks kind of broken. As you can see here, this bar isn't translucent. So to fix that, we will have to install another modification. And this one is called actually Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. So let's click here, and then we can go to the details, click on the settings, and then for the theme, you will have to apply this one, Translucent Explorer 11, and then here click on Save Settings. And now if I open the File Explorer, you should see here this File Explorer completely transparent with this really nice blur effect. And now if I go here, for example, to the properties, you can also see here this effect here. Now it is a bit broken here at some times. So yeah, it is how it is right now. And for the control panel, if I open it here as well, we can also see here that it has this really nice transparent effect applied to it as well. So yeah, overall, I think it looks super well. Now for the notification center, as you can see, this still isn't transparent. So to fix that, we can go back to WindHawk, click on Explore, and then here search for the notifications. And here you'll have to install this modification called Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. So here click on Details, and then here click on Install. Once you have this modification installed, you can go here to the settings. Under the theme, you will select this one right here. It's called Translucent Shell. Click on it, and then here click on Save Settings. And now if I open here the notification center, we can also see here that it has this really nice transparent effect added to it. Now, we are not done yet. We'll have to go here to this website to get this really nice Windows Nostalgia Bliss wallpaper. So here you'll have to click on download button, and then here right click on it, and then here select save image as, and click on save. And now we can go back to our File Explorer here. You'll find this image right here. Click on Set as Background. And now we can also apply it to our lock screen as well. So you will have to double left click on it to open it. Then after that, click on three dots here. Click on Set As. And then here, make sure that you select lock screen as well. And that way you will have this really nice wallpaper. And then also this really nice transparent taskbar. And also this transparent start menu as well. Now here we can also see the notifications, and our calendar are also transparent. So really super nice looking, and also the File Explorer is also transparent. This is pretty much Windows 12 customization in under a few minutes. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash up the like button on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already as well. And I will leave every single tool mentioned in this video linked below in the video description down below. And if you need a brand new wallpaper, I made a brand new wallpaper pack which you guys can check out in the video description down below. It will take your desktop to a whole new level. Now, with that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next one.